Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat bakanet foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Ka Bharatiya Janata Party kalabu thong ban Pynïeng Kyrtong habro nruputli constituency Jongjala Meghalaya haka election Kyrtong dorbar thau an kaban salong house nam arjar arfulai. State President ke BJP Meghalaya State Unit uba Ernest Mauri haka jing ekren bakilat pathai kubor haka khat pratrik unaiweng arjar arfuar ulong baka jing temu ban Pynïeng habro nruputli ki seat ka dekat kum ke jing Bthah na ki bor bahalor ke BJP na Delhi. Ulai itu bahadu menta ke BJP kala depan khai ki mandal komiti haki santili constituency bat ki basa menta ki long satang santili ban pen khai ki snat trekam.
All the 60 seats according to the direction from the central office. Till today we have completed the formation of the mandal committee in 55 constituency. Only 5 constituency left, which we are on the way to form, to complete the formation. And we are looking forward, and we have the good candidate in all the constituency. As one of the aspirant candidate, our spokesperson and state executive member by Kyrtong, and we have candidate in some of the mandal, 2-3 aspirant candidate. Some mandal we are having 2 candidate. Depend on the members of the party, the Karyakarta, those who are eligible, they project themselves as aspirant candidate. Now, you know, as national party, we cannot declare that they are official candidate. They are aspirant now. Even me also as the state president, I am the aspirant candidate from the 18 West constituency. When the condition is declared, that final declaration will come from the Delhi. Nothing from the state. Everything will be decided from Delhi. And the very important point is here that you see BJP, it is a national party, and we are in line with all the they have decided from the central office. We have the survey report in all the constituency mandal, and after the survey report, that also not only one survey report. Now already second survey report is on the way, and we are in line with the IB report. So after collecting all this information, who will be the winning candidate will be allotting the ticket. Not only for the North Shillong, in the whole part of the state, it is the process. After the notification of the election from the Election Commission of India, then immediately from the state we have to call an application for the candidate of all the mandal constituency. That time we will call the candidate, the application from the respected mandal, and the mandal committee, they will forward the name of the candidate to the district, and the district they will send to the state, where we have the state election committee. And from the state election committee, we have to send it to our central office in Delhi, where we have the Central Parliamentary Board, PP we call, and the chairman of that parliamentary committee will be the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, and the members, there are 11 members in that committee. Abid Shahji, Nitin Gadkari, Rajnath Singh, Sonowalji, and others members. They will decide the ticket from Delhi, where we have 2 aspirants. I think you want to clarify that. Yeah. You see, we have in North Shillong 2 aspirant candidates. One is our spokesperson and state executive member, by Kyrtong, and the other aspirant candidate we have Michael Kyrtong. So from the party, as I have stated just now, we cannot stop anyone who have joined the party and deny them that you cannot project yourself as the candidate. That is the direction from the office, from central office. We may have multiple aspirant candidates, but I'm very confident the party will issue the ticket to the winning candidate, where we have a winnability, more chance of winnability. And again, it's in line with the survey report, with the IB report. Then after that, they will take a call and they will sit in the Central Parliamentary Committee and they will decide the ticket. Statement now, because we have not yet final report. It will come. By first week of December, everything it will be clear. As we have the last date of a meeting, our coordinator, joint coordinator from Delhi, they will come in our state and we'll have a long meeting, a long discussion with all the report. Then our General Secretary organization, National General Secretary organization, BL Santoshji will come and visit the state, and even the final call visit from the national president. After that, then they will decide. We have 3 sitting MLA. They are joining with us on the first week of December. And another 2 MLA, they are in touch with us. So they are keen to join with the good work of the BJP government in the country, and especially in the northeast. You have seen the progress of development has taken place in Assam, Manipur, even in Tripura and others northeast state. So it is their wish, and they already inform us, because of the good work of the government under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, they want to join our party. As you know, there is the 10th schedule, anti-defection law, so we cannot reveal the name. No, not true. Some of them from NPP, some of them from...
How many from NPP?
TMC and some others party also.
Yeah. How many from the NPP?
It's too early to disclose, and you know that they are from various parties, they are going to join us. So the time will come, when they join, then you will know who are joining. The matter is of judice. I cannot pronounce on the court verdict. But the thing is that you have seen that when they allowed him to come out from jail with the bail, it is clearly stated that there is no evidence against him with all the charges. That is point number 1. And again, I don't want to make a repeat statement regarding with pulling out from supporting from the government. As you know, NPP, it is the part of NDA government. Not only in Meghalaya, even in NDA. So NDA chairman is against the Honorable Prime Minister. So we are waiting for their call. They will decide and they will give us the necessary instruction. You see, from the day 1, we have already given the statement from our central leader, from me also as the state president. He will be the aspirant candidate from Tura, and he is preparing to fight from Tura. So again, same thing. Now we cannot declare as a candidate. He will be aspirant candidate. So the party, they will do the job, and he has to be in line with the survey report. And same thing for everybody. Even for me also as the state president, same procedure will be conducted. Because now till today we are having the aspirant candidate officially only Barna from that seat.